Good morning, everyone. Bill and Carrie with KD Treks.
Hello.
Where are we at, hon? What are we doing?
We are about ready to go on our next adventure. We are currently at the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, and we're about ready to head through security, and we're going to hop on a flight, and we're going to go to Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan. Regina, Saskatchewan.
It
rhymes with...
Oh, that's why Regina rhymes with fun.
But where are we headed and what are we doing, hon?
We're headed to Saskatchewan.
To do?
To get on another plane.
And then?
That plane takes us to Vancouver.
And then?
And then we will eventually be getting on a Disney Cruise Line ship, and we will be heading to Alaska.
That was a long way to get you to say that. Jeez.
What? I wanted to be like, we're going to Saskatchewan.
Okay, we're going to Saskatchewan. Regina, and rhyme with... But we got through security, no problem. How about that? TSA pre-check. It's a thing. Signed up for it. It's worth it.
I was going to say, it's really funny because how many trips have we been on? And we'll be at the airport and we'll be like, we really should sign up for pre-check.
We really should sign up. We really should sign up.
And
then
we
get
finally
here.
remembered this time. So we got pre-check a couple months ago, and so we were finally able to utilize it for this trip. And it was so nice having to take off my shoes, our belts, all that stuff. It was great.
Now we're just trying to find the gate. We got like 3 hours until our flight, so we're gonna get some...
We got some lunch.
And we got the Buffalo Wild Wings, hooray. Now, I have a rule that we don't eat places we can get when we're on vacation. We haven't left yet.
I was gonna say, technically, I mean, yes, while we are on vacation, technically we haven't left home yet, so.
We made it on the plane.
We're on our first plane.
It's got a propeller. It's not a jet, it's a propeller.
It's very tiny. Like
Teeny tiny. In fact, you think the camera is just like close because I put it this way? No, there's not a lot of space for me to put the camera farther back. There's the propeller. Okay, we made it to Canada. We had to go through customs.
Yes,
and
so
then,
now we have to go back and check back in for our next flight.
Yeah, we had to grab our luggage, and now we're gonna go back through everything. So we need to go past the rental cars and find where our check-in for our next flight is to Vancouver. There we go, getting ready for flight number 2 to Vancouver. Made off the plane. We're at the airport in Regina. We're looking for the train to the city sign. We bought 2 tickets for zone 2, which will take us near our hotel. We took the train down to the Vancouver City Center stop. Not bad. It was like 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Now we're trying to make our way to the hotel, just a couple blocks away. I like the weather.
Yeah, you like this weather, don't you?
Oh, I do like this weather. Looks like we're walking past the Vancouver Art Gallery. I like the look of that building. That's cool. Here we are, made it to our hotel. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. That's nice. Ooh, we're on the 17th floor. Nice. Here's our view from our room. Kind of cool. It's a nice city, looks like. I like the Fairmont across the street. Has that old school look to it with the gargoyles and all that. Seems like a nice clean city. Never been here before. The train was nice. It was nice and clean. Hopefully I can hold the camera still enough, but there's the gargoyles, or a closer look at them. Oh, did we have a long day of travel today?
Yes, this was a long travel day for us.
Glad to finally be in the hotel.
Yeah.
We checked in and then we went downstairs to get some dinner, which we had to eat in like almost 12 hours. Where did we go?
So we went to the Grain Tasting Lounge, Grain Tasting Bar, I think is what it was called.
In the lobby of the Hyatt where we're staying at. And what did we get?
So we both did just the grilled, or not grilled chicken, crispy chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
It came with fries, and it's very good, very solid chicken sandwich.
And then you had that drink?
I had what was my drink even called?
Cocoa something.
Cocoa something. Yeah, we're really great at this.
Well, you're the one that drank it, not me.
Yeah, we're tired. But that was very good too. It was like coconut rum and mango puree, and it was very yummy, tasty.
Well, please do us a favor and subscribe. About 90% of our viewers are non-subscribers. Help the channel grow and help us reach that next goal of 2,000 subscribers. But stay tuned for our next video because we're going to be hanging around Vancouver. And what are we going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're planning on hitting up the Capilano Suspension Bridge Park. So that should be very exciting. There's a free shuttle that picks up right at our hotel here, and it'll take us right there.
That's the right price.
Yep.
All right. So, well, I want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You watch KB Treks. Please do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.